YouTube? It's Farmall 51 here. Alright. Yeah, I don't know. See, I got it split apart. But, probably some good and bad. If not, you know, I can kind of live with it. But, alright. Well, we got the seal off here for the drive shaft. As you can see here, let's see if I can stay out of your light. You can see that is pretty bad. Bearing is completely shot, which I knew that. I pretty much had that. That was a given. See, I got it split apart here. Wasn't really bad. I got my old trusty stand there. But let's see if I can get you around the back here. I've got a block off plate coming for the rear PTO cover. Go ahead and turn the light on here. I got a rear a block off plate here for the PTO because I'm actually going to delete the PTO from this tractor if we can get it going. But yeah, here's the bad, which is just really a grimy mess, but it still has a roar when I roll it back and forth, and I'm guessing the bearings right in here are bad from what I can tell, or maybe up here in the actual axle up here. Whichever one it is, I believe we can get it fixed. So, but like I said, I want to try to keep this all together here. I want to try to keep this tractor together as much as possible. Like I say, you know, I've explained the block there, which that's 52. Which, you know, as soon as I find me a 47, it will be swapped out. If anybody has a 1947 block that isn't cracked, mutilated, or beat all to heck, let me know. I only had one bolt, and that was right here where the fender is rotted out, which I can, we'll get a new fender, or another fender for it. So, it's a little, I mean, it probably could be repaired, but I don't know if it'll be worth messing with, but I can find another fender. But, no cracks in the transmission that I can see anywhere, but yeah, it's just a little worse off than not worse off, but, and it's only these, let's see if I can get the camera right here, only these 5 or 6 gears right in here, teeth right here, I mean, have pitting on them. So I'm guessing this is the gear that's set down in the bottom where the water was at. If you can see, it's just a little bit of pitting, but not much. Let's see here. I'm gonna see if I can tip it up. Alright, you can hear the let's see if I can get it. It's not terrible. It's not terrible. Nothing some 140 gear roll couldn't help, maybe. But at the worst, I'm gonna have to put bearings in the both final drives, I think, because they're both, I can hear noise in them. So, but something that's 72 years old this year. Actually, this year is 72 years old. This tractor is. So, but that's okay. You know, that's to be expected. I was hoping it would have been, this shaft here would have been the primary reason that it was, but as you can see how much play it has in it, quite a bit. So that bearing shot, and I'm assuming probably the other 2 or 3 bearings in the final drives here are shot. Engine turns over, got okay compression. It's not great, but it will run. I believe, but like I said, I got my carburetor, magnet, and all that stuff coming for it later on. But this is the biggest issue that I had, and it's going to probably turn out to be the biggest issue. So, but I guess I'll be taking the transmission apart, or the final drives apart, when I get the drive shaft here back together, and the tractor put back together where it's more stable. I'll go ahead and drop each final drive and go ahead and get bearings for them, which I'm sure, I know you can still get them. So, but anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. This is the 1947 Farmall Cub. 1983 is the serial number, so that makes it, like I said before, it was a July built tractor, very early production, Circle Cub. So, but hey, at least we'll do some more videos on the transmission. So, all right, talk to y'all later, and thanks for watching. And be sure to go on the Farmall 51 Facebook page and click the like button. And I try to update and keep a lot of little stuff I do posted on there. I'll probably put some pictures in here, but not much. Anyway, all right, thanks for watching.